In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a password on Squarespace. Whether you need to update an existing password for a protected page or set a new one, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Squarespace is a powerful platform for building and managing websites, and keeping your pages secure is a crucial part of maintaining your site. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you've connected your account to Google, there's no need to manually enter your login credentials. Simply click Continue with Google and select the appropriate Google account you've linked to Squarespace. This option can save you time and make logging in more seamless. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard from here. Locate the website you want to edit and select it. If you manage multiple sites under your account, make sure you're picking the right one to ensure you're working on the correct content. Next, let's navigate to the Pages section. This is where all the pages and sections of your site are organized. It's like the central hub for managing your site's content, and it's where we'll make the necessary changes. Now, find the specific page or section of your site that's currently protected by a password or needs a password update. This might be a private client portal, a members-only area, or any other page you've restricted access to. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the section. This will reveal a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the settings for this page. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a range of options for customizing your page. Look for the field labeled password. This is where you'll enter your new password. When choosing a password, it's important to make it strong and unique to enhance the security of your site. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easily guessed words like password or 1234, and try to create something that's both memorable for you and hard for others to guess. After typing in your new password, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located either at the top right or bottom of the settings panel. Make sure you click it to ensure your new password is applied. If you don't see the Save button right away, don't worry. It might just be positioned slightly differently depending on your screen size or browser. Take a moment to double check before closing the settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated the password for your protected page on Squarespace. Keeping your site secure is an important part of managing your online presence. And now you know exactly how to make those changes quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.